Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for the latest tech updates and gadget reviews. And today guys, we have something super useful gadget. Yes, the USB sound adapter 7.1 channel. So let's go. Alright guys, here's the box. Let's unbox it. Here you can see USB sound adapter 7.1 channel. On the back here you can see system requirements and features and specifications. Now let's unbox it. So here we get inside a USB connector. This goes directly into your PC or laptop. Just plug and play. No driver needed is in small cases. And here we get a 3.5 mm headphone jack that you can connect to your earphones, headphones, speakers, anything. And also here we get a 3.5 mm of microphone jack, perfect for external mic, gaming mic, collar mic, ultra handy for gamers and online classes. Here we can see it is a headphone jack, and here's the mic jack. Here's the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and this is the 3.5 mm microphone jack. And here we get to see a RGB LED indicator here. So this is a tiny device, supports virtual 7.1 channel surround sound. Now obviously it's not real 7.1, but it boosts your audio and gives a wider sound experience, perfect for movies, gaming and boosting weak laptop audio. And trust me guys, if your laptop headphone jack is damaged, this is the best budget fix. Just plug into your USB port and boom guys, it instantly detects as new audio device. Now you can connect your headphones, mic and everything. The sound is definitely louder and clearer than the default laptop jack. Bass gets boost, vocals are crisp and background noise is reduced. So basically guys, this tiny tool is for those who have only one audio jack. Here on my laptop you can see it has one 3.5 mm of audio jack, that is for headphone. But if you are a streamer, so you want a splitter for individually headphone and for mic. So that's all guys. This is a USB 7 sound adapter, is honestly a must-have budget accessory. Whether your headphone jack is broken, your laptop audio is weak, or you don't have any dual 3.5 mm audio jack, so you can use this one. Or you are a gamer who want a cleaner sound, so this tiny device packs a lot of value. So for the price, it's definitely worth it guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe and press that bell icon for more simple and honest tech videos right here on the TechnoWaves. So I will see you in the next one.